Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, it's a little bit late night, it's 10 o'clock. I waited for the candles to close for us here. But we are going to start off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, guys, is still looking good on the daily. We had our little wick down, but we did not get a daily candle close underneath the 49,600 area, just like I talked about the other day, in yesterday's video, actually. A 4 hour, we can kind of draw this little triangle up here, maybe for a nice little breakout trade. Okay, so let's break above this little triangle on the 4 hour, and maybe we can go test this purple box, or even go higher up to my 52 line from our W pattern target. Okay, or 53,000. So let's see if that happens. That could be also a possible good trade here, guys. Um, let's see here. Ethereum looks good. We're in my purple box. 4 hour, same type of move. This is going to be. This could actually be. Even though the weekends are a little bit sloppy, but these could be some good moves. We got a wick here, but we didn't get a. We got a nice little wick here, but we want to see a 4 hour candle close on Ethereum above this little breakout of this little trend right here, and then we'll go higher up in this move. Cardano, I am going to make this a quick video, guys. Listen, Cardano, it broke down out of our pattern here. We got a 4 hour close, retest, rejection, came down, touched my purple box, went back up, got rejected, literally exactly at my first blue line here, which was the exact day high so far, the daily high, because this is on the 4 hour. So we definitely want to see another 4 hour candle close above here, um, to look bullish again, to get back up in this pattern. If we do get back up in this pattern, guys, it will look very bullish, especially above 92, or $2.92. And then, of course, breaking out and getting a daily, finally closing over this 297 or 298 area, I should say. So that's Cardano. But guys, the big story, Matic. Look at this, guys. I talked about this move yesterday in my video. I said, guys, I drew this triangle up for you. I said, if we break, look, I even drew out what was going to happen for you guys. Okay, we got the bounce right off my line here. And I told you guys, if we come up and break this, we got the retest, just like I talked about right here. I got the retest. This was an easy trade, guys. This right here, boom, boom to the upside, 20% move in one day. Okay, so you'd have made 20% in one day if you would have took this trade yesterday, based on my video. I mean, guys, think about it. I mean, this is awesome. This is awesome. So now we're looking at similar patterns here. 4 hour on Bitcoin, 4 hour on Ethereum. But we got this wick doesn't count, guys. Remember, candles closing and then holding, not falling back in, but getting a retest and bouncing. That's what we want to see, guys, for more continuation to the upside. Cardano, we want to see break back into this pattern. Matic, this would be the target. We technically went over the target. And Matic's looking really bullish. Guys, I told you. Listen, I told you why I love Matic. Okay, this is why. Because when it does break patterns, I mean, it breaks them. And and I told you guys, it was destined for another leg up. Especially with Ethereum, you got to understand it runs with Ethereum. So when Ethereum goes up, eventually, if Matic's lagging, you look for this type of move in Matic. Okay, so this was an easy move. We even had our W pattern that we caught down here that we talked about, that double bottomed right on my line, perfectly here, and then we nailed this reversal. Then we had the triangle. I mean, guys, there's not much more that I could do for you. I even drew it up on this move. So if you guys were just paying attention to this at all, this was an easy 20% added to your portfolio. Much love to all you guys. And this is why I created this channel, so you guys can make this type of easy money. And now we know what to look for. It is the weekend, so it's hit or miss when it comes to certain setups. But come Monday, come Sunday, Sunday we'll see how things close too for the weekly. That's always a fun event. So yeah, much love to you guys. Guys, yesterday's video, make sure you guys watch it. You guys could see this Matic move. And I hope you guys caught it. Make sure you guys sub and hit the bell and hit the all. It's very important, guys. Very important that you do that because they shadow ban me. So sometimes, even if you go to my channel and you click on it, you might not even see. Even if you go to videos, you might not see the video unless you hit the bell and hit the all. Okay. So make sure you guys do that. It's Moondog Trading. That's my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys sub to that. And I'm also going to put a link to my Twitter. And I'm also going to put a link on TradingView because TradingView is free, guys. You can learn how to do this yourself. Draw the exact same line I drew up here. Okay. That's all you have to do is draw exactly what I'm drawing up. And when you see it happen, you gotta have the guts to go for it. If you don't have the guts to make the move, if you're worried about, oh well, I'm scared, if that's in your mindset, you're never gonna be a successful trader. When you see this type of move, you have to trust that this is the move. This is what technical analysis is. You trust the move, you make your money, then you get out. Okay. So listen, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful play here, guys. Awesome. Much love to all you guys that took it. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But this is a very, very nice move, and I'm glad you guys got it. And now we're just waiting on ETH. ETH looks like it's going to explode. Let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle close. Bitcoin, same thing. It's getting up there. I mean, this can get denied, but of course, I can make this video and then, a couple hours later, let's see that the next 4-hour candle is actually, yeah, it's 2 hours away. So, that won't be until 12 o'clock Eastern, my time. I'm in the U.S., so 12 a.m. But yeah, so then we'll see the next 4-hour candle close. And guys, just remember when you're on these charts, for some of you guys that are new to trading, when you're on these charts, this is a 4-hour chart. So every candle represents 4 hours. Okay. So it's very important that you understand that. Daily, same thing. Okay. This is one candle represents a day. Okay. You go to an hour. Okay, you guys get the point, right? 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Each candle represents 15 minutes. Now, the reason you want to do this, because it's very important that in a move like this, we don't just wick up, we get a 4-hour candle close above our trend. And then if we get rejected, that we bounce. We don't fall back into this, okay? That's very, very important because if we fall back in, then that's bearish. That's a bad sign. Okay, we want to make sure that we get that 4-hour candle close above these trends, guys. Very, very important. Because then what happens is if it wicks up and you guys buy it and thinking that you're going to get in before, be slick about it, and then all of a sudden it comes down, and goes lower and drops on you, you're going to lose money. So it's just better to wait for the confirmation for the confirmation, because guys, then you're kind of like, it's almost not guaranteed. Nothing's ever guaranteed 100%, but you have a better percentage when it comes to charting and technical analysis to win that trade. Okay, so because everybody's looking at that. Everybody was looking at this move right here. Okay, and I called it on my channel yesterday. So guys, listen. I drew it out for you. I drew all these moves out for you. Just follow my moves. I'm going to put a link down in TradingView. It's free. If you do decide to pay for it, you don't have to pay for pop-ups or anything, which is nice. You can just get it for free. You get 3 free indicators. But my link does have a $30 discount if you do decide to pay. You don't want to deal with pop-ups, and you get more indicators so you can learn more, guys. You want to learn as much as you can. That's the whole key to technical analysis. This is something that I just didn't pick up overnight. This is years and years of me doing this and experience, guys, to get to the point where I am now, where I can go on YouTube, comfortably share this information with you and get it out to you, and, be positive about it, knowing that, you guys make these kind of trades, and, I'm changing lives here. And this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to change lives here. And, much love to you guys. I'm going to end this video. But make sure you guys sub, hit that bell, hit that all. Very important, guys. And much love to you guys. Peace out.